Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Nissan Sentra interior lights. First, gather your tools: a plastic trim removal tool, a small flathead screwdriver, and your new LED bulbs. Safety is key, so always disconnect the negative battery terminal before beginning. This prevents accidental shorts and ensures a smooth, safe replacement process. Having the right tools makes the job much easier and quicker, so take a moment to prepare everything. Now let's tackle the dome light. Using your plastic trim removal tool, carefully pry off the clear plastic cover. Be gentle to avoid scratching the headliner or the lens itself. Once the cover is off, you'll see the old bulb. Simply pull it straight out. Then insert your new LED bulb. If it doesn't light up, flip it 180 degrees, as LEDs are polarity sensitive. Test it before replacing the cover. Next, we'll move to the map lights and the trunk light. For the map lights, gently pry down the entire overhead console housing. You'll find the bulb sockets inside. Twist them counterclockwise to remove. Replace the old bulbs with your new LEDs. The trunk light is usually simpler. Just pry off its small cover. Then, pull out the old bulb and insert the new one. Remember to test each light before reassembling everything. With all your new LED bulbs installed, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully snap all the covers and console housings back into place, ensuring they are secure. Once all components are firmly seated, reconnect the negative battery terminal to restore power to your vehicle. Finally, test all your new interior lights to confirm they are working perfectly. You'll love the brighter, more modern look. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.